I finally got it in. I want to introduce you to my Krups XP9000 automatic espresso, cappuccino, coffee, hot water maker, you know. Instruction pamphlet. The box it came in, well packaged, a lot of styrofoam, a lot of tape to keep everything together. And the actual machine is beautiful. It's actually a beautiful machine. There's a digital readout on it. Side service door. Here it has programming buttons. If you have a compartment for coffee beans, and it also has a selector where you can select the grind, the coarseness of the grind of your coffee. Alright, so if you want to adjust that to your liking, you could. But it holds 11 ounces of coffee beans. It also has a compartment just if you have ground coffee. If you want to use your ground coffee instead of your coffee beans, put 2 tablespoons in there. It'll make an excellent cup of coffee. And also, you know, the customer service department phone numbers in the US, Canada, and Mexico. Go over to the other side. Also has a cup warmer, so you want to keep your cup warm, you know, before you make your espresso, your cappuccino, or your lattes. Here also, let me turn the light off, maybe that'll give you a better picture. We have 8 buttons on here. One is for an automatic cafe latte, one automatic cappuccino, steam, if you want to make if you're steaming your coffee to warm it up, or tea. We have a hot water button, fully adjustable. You can adjust how much water from 1 ounce to 10 ounces. Right now you're hearing just because I opened the compartment for the ground coffee, you're hearing the button look for the ground coffee, which I don't have. You have a on and off button right in the middle. You also have 2 types of coffee buttons, you know, for a short cup of coffee or a tall cup of coffee. And we also have the 2 espresso buttons. One is for a single shot of espresso, or one for double shot, you know, or from 1 ounce to 2 ounce. And every button is on here is fully programmable. Also on the top, you can see a little knob here, and that brings down. If you see me do the knob back and forth, look down at the lower part of the screen, and you'll see a nozzle go in and out, and that is for frothing, or to dispense the hot water or steam, but it's mainly for frosting for your lattes and your cappuccinos. Okay, side I have the water reservoir. Real simple, easy to take out. It lifts up, and you have your coffee. Okay, video is going to be a little fuzzy, but this is my first YouTube video. And you can just stick the water reservoir right back in and close the lid. One thing I do like about it, it does have an adjustable dispenser for the coffee, tea, lattes, hot water, you know, up and down, real simple. And again, it has for frosting, has a button that slider that brings it up and down. Okay, one thing I wanted to point out, yeah, I'm not really good at videos, but I believe this is one of the most awesome automatic espresso, latte, cappuccino maker on the market. It's a little expensive, but it's well worth the money. Okay, it's not a cheap item. Also has the door on the side here to open it up, and any water or coffee, you know, the coffee ground dispenser is here. Has a separate compartment for that, or if any coffee that, you know, that runs out into the pan, go great with that. All right. I want to adjust this up a little bit more because I actually want to show two of the best features about this unit is making lattes and cappuccinos. Okay, and I am going to do that in 1 minute for you. But this is the Krups XP9000. With the Krups XP9000, we're going to do a demonstration on how to make a latte. Alright, you just get your cup of 4 ounces of milk. Alright, and you just hit the cafe latte button. Alright, it's going to ask you to put your milk in and lower the steam nozzle. So can you lower the steam nozzle, handy assistant? Alright, you put the steam nozzle down, and from there it grinds the coffee, froths the milk, and you have a perfect latte. Let's try to get that in there for you. Okay, it's frosting. It's frosting the milk. It's not a lot of bubbles. It's a perfect froth, believe it or not. It's a perfect froth. I'm really amazed at this. I had to have it once I've seen it. And I said there's not enough video footage out there. Okay, it's done frosting. Now it's going to add. People normally put 1 ounce of espresso. I'm going to put 2 ounces of espresso. I like a little bit more coffee in my lattes. Okay. Okay. It is making the perfect latte. Okay, you got your about 1/5 of coffee or espresso. I prefer 8 o'clock coffee. Make the best coffee and make the best espressos, believe it or not. Okay. Next,